Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy B, we're going to put together a simple and delicious appetizer. We're just going to put all our ingredients in one bowl. We're going to mix them up. We're going to pop them into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown, and we're ready. And if this is something that you're interested in, just keep on watching. Now let's take a look at our ingredients. Okay, we want to start by putting our biscuit mix into a bowl, and we want to loosen it up to make sure we don't have any lumps. And there's a seasoning packet that comes with it. We're going to go ahead and get that right in there. Then we're going to get our red pepper flakes in. We're going to get our garlic powder in, and then we're going to give it a good mix. Now you want to go ahead and get your cheese in. Today I'm using Colby and Jack cheese. Use the cheese of your preference. And a little tip from me, make sure you grate your cheese. It makes the dish taste much better with the grated cheese. It's much fresher that way. Now we're just going to go ahead and toss our whisk and get in there with our hands and get everything mixed well. Now you want to take your raw sausage, and we're going to get that broken up right into our dry ingredients. I'm using mild sausage today because I've added the red pepper flakes, and that's going to give us a nice hint of flavor, hence the name Firecracker. Mix your sausage with your dry ingredients, then add your buttermilk and continue mixing until you have formed a ball. It gets a little sticky, but it's all worth it. Take your baking sheet and spray it with a cooking spray. And I am using a baking spray today because that's all I had on hand. So I'm using a baking spray to spray my baking pan. And the pan that I'm using today is designed for cake pops, but it's a very nice pan when I'm making anything shaped into a ball. It has many uses. We are now ready to make our sausage balls. Today I'm using a 1-inch cookie scoop, and this will help keep everything uniform. In the meantime, you want to make sure your oven is set at 375 degrees, and we're going to put these into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And after 12 minutes, my sausage balls are ready. Be sure that you pay attention to your oven because some ovens cook faster, some of them cook slower. But take a look at those golden brown beauties. They are so beautiful. We're going to cut into one for you. Nice and moist. You can see everything that was added to this mix. You see your sausage. You see those peppers, cheese, and they are oh so good. We're just going to take them up and put a little presentation together for you. Guys, I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It has been my absolute pleasure to bring to you my Firecracker sausage balls. And I ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, because I have some great things coming up for you. And we're going to pair these today just with some honey mustard and some forks on the side for easy dipping. Okay? And on our next video, I come to you with a foot-long apple Danish. And this is going to be next week. And I look to see you then. Until then, keep life simple, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.